Hi guys, I am back with a skincare video, and if you missed my first one, I discussed in that video that I was searching for a while to find a brand of skincare that I felt good about using and promoting and sharing with you. And I have a two brands that I'm really pleased to share. And so if you missed the first one, I'll put the link to that video in the description. Today, I'm talking about Tuel Skincare, T-U-E-L. The company is named after the founder's two daughters whose names begin with L, Tuel, which is pretty cool. So it's, can you read that? It might be upside down when I show it in the video, Tuel. I should know this stuff by now, but anyhow. And it was founded back, I believe, in 1979. And the founder began with plant-based ingredients, which is pretty cool because, you know, that wasn't the norm then. And this company is fully plant-based and vegan, and they have beautiful skincare. I love it. And of course, I'm only scratching the surface of what they have, because they do have a number of different lines depending on your needs, your skin needs. So I've been working with the line and some of the products, not all of them, in the mature skincare line. And then they have other products for like oily skin, or maybe if you're prone to breakouts and things like that. So what I'm showing you today are some of the products from this mature line and give you a few highlights. So the first one is this very cool, it's one of their signature products. It's the Cleansing Duo. And now this one is the Rescue. So that's again from the mature line. And how this works, it looks like oil and vinegar. And so it's an oil and herbal toner combo. And so you do it in 2 steps for your skin. I'm going to show you a demo of this later. I'm going to go to my bathroom and set it up and show you cleansing my face, which I don't normally do those kinds of things. It's very awkward for me, but I'm going to do it for you because I want to show you how it works. But you can also use it on your hands if your hands are really dry, and it's just a really cool product. It smells delicious. It works really well. So I'll show you that later. And just to mention, this again is the mature line. So you can find this Cleansing Duo in the other categories. So for instance, if you have skin that's prone to being oily versus mine is prone to being, well, it's like normal, but a little on the dry side. And then let's see, speaking of drier skin, so a cleanser. So this is a cleanser. They have 2 cleansers. And so in the morning, you know, when you wake up and you don't have any makeup on your face, or you haven't been doing anything through the day, you've just been sleeping basically, and you really just want to clean off any skincare products that you had on overnight. So that's when you'd use this milky cleanser. And then at the end of the day, to really do a deeper cleanse, that's when you use the Duo. And of course you could use it in the morning, but that's the intention. And then this cream, so I love a good moisture rich cream on my face, and I don't want it to be sticky or gunky, but I want it to feel like my skin has sucked up that moisture, and it feels nice and like just plump and feels good, right? It's not a nice feeling when your skin feels like taut and tight and dry. So this Rescue Ultra Rich Moisture Cream is amazing. It smells so good, and the texture is really rich and thick. So I'm just going to show you on my finger what it looks like. And I'll just put it in my hand. I'll just put some on my hand. And it just has a really lovely, like luxurious texture, but it soaks into your skin and it smells beautiful. It smells so, so good. You probably can't notice a whole lot on screen from doing that. And I didn't really show you it before, but it's really rich and smells good, soaks in. And so this cream has some of its key ingredients. Well, first I'll say on the side, I love their packaging. I'm off in tangents here, but look how beautiful. It's very aesthetic. It's really beautiful. It's free of phthalates, sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, synthetic dyes, or fragrances. No animal testing, and 100% vegan. And its key ingredients, they mention a few on the box for each product. The key ingredients being bamboo silica, squalene pea extract. And then much like the moisture cream, they have the Eye Revive Firming Peptide Cream. I have not been one who uses a lot of eye creams. I just tend to use like a face cream, but I'm trying to get into it. So let's see how we do with that. I've been working on that. Maybe you're the same, or maybe you love a specific eye cream, like using a targeted eye cream around the eye. So I'm trying to get into the hang of that more and more. But this is a firming peptide cream. It says new and improved. So I believe, look at this packaging again. Time for a revival. Can I get an amen? Again, free of phthalates, sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, synthetic dyes or fragrances, no animal testing, and 100% vegan. And this one has argan oil, tripeptide 37. I do believe that's the new and improved, the peptide, but I'm not completely sure. So maybe the website has more information there. Coenzyme Q10. And it has a similar texture and smell, not exactly, but similar to the Ultra Rich Moisture Cream. So a really nice product. And then next, this one I haven't used yet because we're in the Pacific Northwest. It's gray most of the time in the winter, and we just have not had a lot of sun. Plus, I use a color correct cream on my face in the morning. It's not like a heavy foundation. I'm not a foundation girl, but it just adds a little bit of coverage, and that does have sunscreen. But when summer does finally break out here, I will be using this. It's a Daily Defense Mineral Sunscreen Serum, and it's SPF 30. Why am I not using my glasses? SPF 33, apple stem cell, hyaluronic acid, and squalene. So that's that one. And is there anything else that I didn't show you? I'm just gonna take a pump of this. I haven't, this is the first time I've actually used it because, like I said, it's been darn gray and rainy here. Ooh, that smells nice. It's a very light coverage. Can you see it there? And it smells really good. I do find that some of the sunscreens, they have a smell. I don't like them. And this one is nice. It's very nice. So that's another beautiful product that will be great when the sun comes out. So those are some of the highlights I wanted to share with you from Tuel Skincare. Now, they are offering you a good discount, 20% off through the link below using code DREENA20, okay? So go have a look, pick up some favorites. I highly recommend the cleansing duo and the moisture cream, especially loving them. But you know, go explore and see what's there for you. And then I'll be back with a little demo of this one soon. We'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed, give it a like and subscribe. And if you're watching on social, if you're watching on Instagram or Facebook and you want the link to the skincare and the code, comment skin and we'll send it to your DMs. Okay, have a great day. See you.